Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this video on Floki. I wanted to cover that today because it's been quite strong since yesterday. Like you can see in the open interest right here, it actually got some spikes yesterday afternoon. You can see those on the chart very clearly, and now it's exerting some bullish momentum again. All right, and the 4-hour candle is almost closing. This could be the start of a new rally for Floki, alright? And that's why I wanted to make a video on that. You can also see the volume stayed high. The open interest is increasing again. So yeah, I wanted to quickly make a video and then potentially enter a trade afterwards. But that's something I'll have to see. I mean, right now, Floki actually is, or at least it was quite bearish. Then it set up some sort of a consolidation here on top of 3,000. You'll know what I mean when I say 3,000. But yeah, so set up some sort of a consolidation there. And by the way, we're getting right into the analysis. That's what I like to do. That makes the video short, easy to watch. Hopefully that's all right to you, but all right. So yeah, and now I would say the main thing we have to talk about is that first of all, the chart actually looks pretty good. Like the Floki broke above several Fibonacci levels, found resistance at the 618. Then dropped down to the 382, got a nice bullish break retest, and now it looks quite bullish to me. And I've never really seen a crypto that spikes up like this, that it spikes up again and potentially goes higher, and that it does not rally higher then. Obviously, right here you can see Floki spiked up a lot, and then it got but this is different. Like here it hit a resistance level. And then it retested that same area, but then lower. So that was an indication of more bearish momentum coming. Right now, it has erased all of the sell limits right there. And now it's trying to break above some levels. But I would say, like, I'm not sure what the main level is to break. I would say it's this level, like, I would almost say it's 4,000. But there's this other level right here, which I think is more important. And that's the level at 3,800. So what we'll see, and we might even see that with this next candle, is if Floki will be able to break above that. And I would say if Floki is able to break above 3,800 right here and it holds as support, I see no reason why Floki would not rally up again. And now, since it's already that high, the next price target would really be between 4,500 and 4,750. And most of you that seems like quite a big move up, right? And I agree. But most of you who know me know that I'm quite realistic in my analysis. And right now, I just don't see a reason while the momentum is growing like this, while Bitcoin is, well, not bullish, but it's also not that weak right now. So I see no reason why, if Floki really gets that bullish confirmation, right? So because so far this could just be a lower low. This could be another spike, and it could drop down again. That's the truth. But I see no reason that if Floki breaks above 3,800, that it would not rally higher. All right, so that's what I'm going to tell you. That's the main thing to watch. If Floki does not break above that level, it's not going to rally, right? So if it, for example, tests that level, but it does not break above that, and it starts dropping back down towards 35, 3,400, then it's probably not going to happen. And then Floki will just drop back down to 3,000, and this was just a spike up to the top of this range right here. And Floki will consolidate, and then we'll forget about it, and there's that. That's a possibility, but that is something we'll see very, very soon. That's something we'll see in the next couple of hours, if perhaps even in the next 10 minutes when the candle closes. So yeah, that's the main thing. I do want to say that I was doubting between Floki either needing to break above 3,800 or this level right here at 3,650, which is also, that has some Fibonacci levels there. I chose 3,800, but there's a possibility that it just now, because it will break above 3,650, that if it breaks above that it will rally from there. It's a possibility. Just wanted to tell you about that. I'm not sure why, but that is not what I expect. I expect that it needs to break above 3,800 to rally. If it doesn't do that today, it's probably going to fall back down and consolidate. So those are my thoughts on Floki. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Down in the pinned comment in the description, you'll also find out more information on my trading groups. If you're interested in that, in Signals or my premium group, whatever. So check that out. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.